Hey guys, this is 3:30 almost, and I just realized I haven't recorded anything for the vlog. Must have been busy since morning. So I started the day in the morning. I woke up at about 7, and it's about 3:30. So it's been a lot of hours. 5 and 3, about 8 hours. So what the fuck I've done? Yeah. So 8:30 to 10:30 I was in the gym. That's the reason, right? So 7 I woke up. And I spent some time at home, whatever I did, I don't remember. But 7 to 8 hours at home, getting fresh and doing my morning routine, apple cider and lemon. That's what I start my day with. And then I headed to the gym. So the plan was not to hit the yoga class because I wanted to have like 7.5 hours of sleep. So I cancelled the yoga class last night before sleeping. But since I woke up early, I ended going for the yoga class, right? So I did yoga after like months. I don't know when was the last time I did yoga. So I did yoga today after months. Evolve yoga. They do it with a circle. What is it called? So there's a band. There's a bunch of props that do yoga with, right? There's a semi. I forget it. Yeah, it's a circular object they give to us, right, to do the yoga with. So you hold it during yoga postures and all. And there's a band and there's this eat. I can't remember what is it called. It's called block. Yeah, it's called blocks. So blocks and band and this circular object. They give that. So I did the yoga with that. That's 8:30, 9:30, 9:30. I hit a dance class. So I'm done with the gym for today. Then I came back and then I had to waste some time on the electricity bill because my landlord, landlord is a crazy word, right? It sounds like I'm a slave and he's my lord. What the fuck? But anyway, he wanted a copy of the last electricity bill, which we didn't have, right? And DHVBN, which is the electricity company, I called them several times already in the past to ask them to connect my number to the electricity connection, but they haven't, right? So the electricity bill, which used to come physical copy, didn't come this time. So in April it came, it went to the last tenant. Her name is Ankita, right? So her name is Ankita. So I had to message Ankita to send me the electricity bill. She sent that to me and then I paid the bill. I had to pay some fine, but whatever. And after that I slept for a while. I had lunch and brunch, whatever, and I slept for a while and then I woke up. So I woke up now and I'm thinking what to do. So that's been the day so far, right? Yeah. Hey guys, good evening. Whatever time of the day you're watching this, I'm in the crowded Galleria market. I usually come to Galleria to walk, but the problem in this market has become too busy on weekends to even walk. Like right now, look at this. They're just like, I keep running into people everywhere and walking. I have to like swerve left and right. Oh my god, there are like 100 people charging at me right now. So it's become too busy to walk on weekends, especially, right? So I need to find other places to walk on the weekends because Monday to Friday it's kind of not that busy, but on weekends it's crazy. Like it's very difficult to even walk. Like there are people going left and right from where I'm standing right now. So I need to find other places to walk in Gurgaon. I don't know right now. Maybe I need to start visiting some other places. But the problem is right now in terms of my schedule, even Guftagu Cafe, Galleria is en route to Guftagu Cafe kind of, right? So I wanted to walk a bit before I hit the show. So even if I wanted to go to the other side, like Wordmark, right? Wordmark is on the other side of the city. So that's a good place to walk, but I can't go there right now because I'll have to go there at some other times to walk. The problem is Galleria is right in the center of the city, so generally come here to walk, but on weekends it's become really busy to walk. But I'll figure out. Cool. Hope you're feeling happy. Alright guys, we're ready for the 10 p.m. show now, and although the last show had about 10-12 people, this is way more people than that. I think this is going to be a better show than the last show. Hey guys, the day review. What's the date today? Today is the 31st. May is over, and I think I'll do this day review in two parts because I think I have a lot to say right now. You know, I was in a dance class today, and for some reason I was not smiling. Like something was bothering me, and I don't remember what was bothering me. In fact, I couldn't even pinpoint at that point what was bothering me. And what I do in situations like that is I keep telling myself that I shouldn't be alive, and I should smile. And like a friend of mine said, when you look at the tattoo, that this tattoo means that everything is a blessing, right? So be conscious of how you are feeling, even if you're doing something happy, supposedly happy, like dancing or having sex. You could be feeling sad doing something which is supposed to be happy, so until unless we're observing ourselves how we're feeling, we could be sad in relatively happy situations, like traveling. For example, being sad in Goa is a very weird thing. So yeah, I think that's one thing I wanted to say. In the next clip, I'll talk about the day. So the day was fine. I did both of the important activities today, like gym and dance. I hit yoga class today after a long time, and I don't do yoga often because I find it too slow for my energy. So I do yoga once in a while. So I did that today, and I did dance. And during the day, I didn't do much. I think I wrote a couple of jokes, and besides, I didn't do much. I pushed a lot of stuff to tomorrow, which is fine, because I think we should judge our outcomes, and I'm working on outcomes from an activity perspective, and not the quantity. Quantity sucks. And I hit 2 shows tonight. One show was good. Really, I did kick-ass crowd work, and my jokes worked. The other show was like kind of weird because the audience was really shy, and there were a couple of women and one girl and one woman in the front row. They kept staring at my legs and feeling shy about it. Just weird. So otherwise I'm feeling okay. There's a lot of stuff I pushed to tomorrow, and I'm gonna work on it. June is starting, and I have a 30-day challenge. I have to hit 58 by the end of June in terms of weight. So I'm on it. I'm feeling alright right now, and I think that'll be it. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you're feeling happy. Good night.